Hello, everybody. Another good tip from a couple people were telling me. There's the old engine. She's out. Excuse me. And there's a new one. Boy, she's a pretty baby. Oh, this is stupid battery. You can see right there. It is. Focus. I'm gonna focus. There you go, baby. 1017. It's not holding its charge. Every time this little light here goes to green, which should be right here, and right now is amber. Got everything hooked all back up, except for my exhaust manifold, which is right down there. You can see the EGR. When I got this old engine out, took it out, I bent the hell out of that pipe right about here, right underneath this sleeve. I had to cut it, and probably have to re-weld it, or somehow go get the parts for that. But everything as it is right now, it's all hooked up. Put some brake fluid in the power steering. But I was saying you can put brake fluid in power steering, but you can't put power steering into your brake. Those two don't go together. This is a very small, I forgot what it's called, a very small little fuel particle here. And right here, you can see right here, your plugs, your wiring, everything like that. I was thinking on a 1996, not a 2000. This is a piece of shit 2000 Ford Ranger, not a 1996, where it's a 4.0, and you have your front differential and the rear differential and the transfer case. Oh, forgot about that. Normally these are a lot huger. They're right here on the side, and it looked like a big container with two open screw type of lids, where those go in and then come back out and recycle it back out into your EGR valve, and as well to your intake. So yeah, this is a excuse me, a pretty good engine. Hopefully it starts. The main culprit right now is that keeping an eye on that thing. But everything as well right now, it's all tightened down, snugged, and brute strength I call it, tightened. Other than that, you got a lot of stuff here done. I got a lot of stuff here done. I guess should be proud of it, but I don't be proud of it too. This thing finally runs, and no freaking problems with it. So I could put the lovely ass hood back on it, pick all this metal crap, put it in this trailer, and haul it off to Metalville. Other than that, she's doing good. Yeah, it is always. Excuse me. Like a lot of YouTubers are getting in trouble for putting nicotine on their channel. I did it once or twice. Never got in trouble because I don't have any subscribers and stuff. I want to get at least to be a YouTube plaque. I want to try to get enough subscribers, and I know it's something new to me, and I'm trying to figure out how to succeed. Same time, I don't have sometimes time to, post videos and put them up every day. Like, I know a couple times I did 2 videos already, but you know, this is how it is. You know, it's a YouTuber life, they say, you know. And if you do have a nicotine addiction like I do, whatever you do, don't do like, you know, some people like pack it in front of the camera and everything else. Not too smart. People. Anyway, so this is usually how it is, you know. I guess life as a YouTuber. I know it's not good lighting in here, so you're probably going to see just a black figure and whatever else in the screen. I'll talk to you guys later about more stuff. Goodbye. Have a good day.